G.D. Naidu was a visionary industrialist who contributed significantly to multiple fields. Born in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, which later became a hub for industrial development. He lived from 1893 to 1974 and made groundbreaking contributions in science and technology. He played a crucial role in revolutionizing the automobile, electrical, and engineering industries in India. His company played a vital role in advancing the Indian motor industry by manufacturing innovative electrical motors. During his visit, he gained knowledge in precision engineering, which he applied to various industries in India. This motor was one of India's earliest innovations in electrical engineering, reducing dependency on foreign technology. He developed India's first electric car, paving the way for future advancements in electric vehicles. This institute provided technical education and training to develop skilled professionals in various industries. His high-speed camera technology was used for scientific research and advanced photography. His research in hybrid crop development significantly increased agricultural yield in India. He was the first person to bring a Rolls-Royce to Coimbatore, showcasing his influence and passion for automobiles. His electric bus innovation was an early step towards sustainable public transportation in India. His developments in textile machinery helped modernize the textile industry, increasing efficiency and production. While he contributed to many industries, the electric fan was not one of his inventions. He introduced advancements in precision timekeeping, improving watchmaking technology. He pioneered the development of instant coffee in India, making it more accessible. Due to his revolutionary contributions across multiple industries, he was often compared to Thomas Edison. His factory played a key role in producing some of India's early radios, enhancing communication. His camera technology was used for scientific applications, especially in motion studies. His deep passion for innovation and technology drove his numerous inventions and contributions. The museum preserves and showcases important engineering advancements, inspiring future generations. His contributions helped boost industrial growth by introducing automation in manufacturing. He strongly advocated for Indian industries to become self-sufficient and less dependent on foreign technology. He passed away in 1974, leaving behind a legacy of innovation and industrial advancements.
Thanks for quizzing. Like and subscribe to IG's Quizio for more.